The Centers for Disease Control Director, Rochelle Walensky, has called for a one-month review to identify ways it can reform. And today, 5 former CDC directors held their own review through the Public Health School at Harvard University. Fox 4's Sean Rabb sat in on their Zoom conversation. Sean.
Yeah, a conversation about everything from what needs to change inside the agency to what should change with other influencers, political voices, a conversation at a critical juncture for the Centers for Disease Control.
Now the trust has been lost, and it's trust that holds a coalition together.
CDC Director Rochelle Walensky calling for a 30-day review by outside experts. What does CDC need to do to restore trust? Broken at times by confusing guidance on the coronavirus, masks, and boosters.
People can handle uncertainty or ambiguity if they're told with humility that that's what's going on, and they can appreciate and respect that you're working as hard as you can to get answers, but you don't have all the answers yet.
I think it's a critical tool for CDC to have real-time data that one can then execute a public health response.
Something the agency may not have had at all times during the pandemic because states report what they want to.
We need to face the question, do we want, and I sure hope we do we want a standardized nationwide public health data system?
Former CDC Director William Roper argues the greatest problem is not science, but politics.
If I can be blunt about it, it's our dysfunctional political system. It's not CDC's fault, it's the political system. And so that can't be solved by even the wisest people that Dr. Walensky invites in.
Every time that I go through a airport now, I trigger the metal detector because of all the shrapnel that's in my back. Even though I spent 20 years plus in the military and never got any shrapnel.
Robert Redfield was CDC director during 3 years of the Trump administration and jokingly described taking political flack. He wants what he calls structured independence for the agency, with the director being Senate confirmed for a 7 to 10-year term. But Tom Frieden disagrees, saying the process would morph into contentious confirmation hearings like that around Supreme Court nominee Ketanji Brown Jackson. Frieden says the pandemic shows we need to rethink how we fund the nation's public health authority.
We spend literally 300 to 500 times less on our health defense than we do on our military defense. And yet, no war in American history has killed 1 million people as COVID has in the past 2 years.
And in the past 2 years during the pandemic, the Centers for Disease Control at times widely criticized for not communicating and lack of transparency. Director Walensky vows to do better with both of those. All 5 of the former CDC directors agree on this one thing. They must do better on that. As one director said, communicate, communicate, communicate.